Hello students. Students, yesterday we discussed in map about river Ganga and its tributaries, and they are river Yamuna, river Gandak, river Son, river Ken, river Betwa and river Chambal. And we discussed or we showed on the map river Brahmaputra also. Now let's continue with river Ganga system. Students, you know that the headquarters means the river Ganga, it originate from Gangotri glacier, and there it is known as means Bhagirathi. And when it just comes at Devprayag, it is joined by one another stream, and that is known as Alaknanda. Both the streams, they are in Uttarakhand, and when these both two streams they join together, they are known as river Ganga at Haridwar. And here this river, it just drain or it starts flowing in plain area at Haridwar. So this is the river system, river Ganga system. Now the Ganga is joined by many tributaries from the Himalayas, as earlier we discussed in map also. The few large tributaries are there, such as Yamuna, the Ghaggar, the Gandak and the Kosi. As you know students, the river Yamuna, it rises from the Yamunotri glaciers. As Ganga rises from Gangotri glaciers, the river Yamuna rises from Yamunotri glaciers in the Himalayas. It flows parallel to the Ganga and as a right bank tributary. It acts as a right bank tributary and it meets the Ganga at Allahabad. The Ghaggar, the Gandak and the Kosi, they rise in the Nepal Himalayas, means from the north side. They are the rivers which flood parts of the northern plains every year. ये वो नदियाँ हैं जो नेपाल से ओरिजिनेट होती हैं, नेपाल हिमालय से ओरिजिनेट होती हैं और जो मर्ज होती हैं रिवर गंगा में, और उसी पूरे एरिया का, नॉर्थ के एरिया को ड्रेन करती हैं यही नदियाँ, कॉजिंग वाइड स्प्रेड डैमेज. कभी कभी तो इतना पानी आ जाता है इनमें कि बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज हो जाता है लाइफ एंड प्रॉपर्टी, बट एट द सेम टाइम they are very much helpful in enriching the soil for the extensive agricultural land. That's why the area of Uttarakhand and UP, it is agriculturally productive areas. Now let's move further and let's see the main tributaries which came from the peninsular uplands. These rivers which we discussed earlier, they came from Nepal Himalayas, but there are still some rivers or tributaries which came from peninsular uplands. They are Chambal, the Betwa and Son. These rise from semi-arid areas. That's why they have shorter courses, means their length is short and they do not carry much water to them. वो अपने साथ बहुत ज़्यादा पानी नहीं लेके आती because they are seasonal in nature. Now let's find out where and how they ultimately join to Ganga, as yesterday we discussed and I showed you in map also. Now enlarged with the waters from its right and left banks tributaries. अब दोनों तरफ से आ गई, राइट की तरफ से भी लेफ्ट की तरफ से भी. The Ganga flows eastward till फरक्का in the West Bengal. तो ये फरक्का वेस्ट बंगाल में एक जगह है, वहाँ तक तो ये ईस्ट डायरेक्शन में होती है. देन इसके बाद दिस इज़ द नॉर्दर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ गंगा डेल्टा एंड द रिवर बाइफरकेट होता है अलग अलग बट जाना, अलग अलग टुकड़ों में हो जाना, फैल जाना. बाइफरकेट हियर द भागीरथी हुगली, हियर इट्स नेम इज नोन एज हुगली, flows southward through the deltic plains to the Bay of Bengal, and the main streams flows southward into Bangladesh and is joined by the Brahmaputra. इसका एक हिस्सा बांग्लादेश में चला जाता है जो मेन स्ट्रीम है, और वहाँ पर ये ब्रह्मपुत्रा से ज्वाइन कर जाती है. फर्दर डाउन उसके बाद नीचे आती है, इट इज़ नोन एज मेघना इन बांग्लादेश. द माइटी रिवर, माइटी मीन्स वेरी बिग रिवर्स, विद वाटर फ्रॉम द गंगा, और जो कि गंगा से भी पानी जिसको मिला, एंड द ब्रह्मपुत्रा, इट फ्लोज इनटू बे ऑफ बंगाल. और तब ये मेघना रिवर जिसको हम ब्रह्मपुत्रा और गंगा को मिल के बोलते हैं, ये बे ऑफ बंगाल में गिर जाती है. द डेल्टा फॉर्म्ड बाय दीज रिवर्स इज नोन एज सुंदरबन डेल्टा, and this Sundarban delta derive its name from the Sundari tree which grows well in marshland. Marshland means दलदल वाला area जहाँ बहुत पानी होता है. It is the world largest and fastest growing delta. It is also the home of Royal Bengal tiger. Now, the length of Ganga is over 2,500 km. Now look at figure 3.4 and we can identify the type of drainage pattern formed by the Ganga river system. As earlier we discussed, this is 3.5 and upside that is 3.4, and these are two head streams, one is Alaknanda and one is Bhagirathi. When they join together in Haridwar, they are known as river Ganga. Now, as we discussed earlier, what is water divide? When this river Ganga comes in plain area, it was divided into two parts, and that upland is known as Ambala. The plain from Ambala to the Sundarban stretch over near 1,800 km, but the fall in its slope is hardly 300 meters. In other words, I can say that there is a fall of just 1 meter for every 6 km. Therefore, the river develops large meanders. We will discuss what is meant by meander. Now, as the second is Brahmaputra river system. So, the Brahmaputra rises in Tibet east of Mansarovar Lake, very close to the source of Indus and the Satluj. You know, the Mansarovar Lake is there in Himalayas. It is slightly longer than the Indus. ये ब्रह्मपुत्र river थोड़ी सी लंबी है Indus से, and most of its course lies outside India, means in Tibet. It flows eastward. ये east की तरफ बहती है parallel to the Himalayas, and on reaching the नामचा बारवा, एक जगह है नामचा बारवा, जब वहाँ पर आके it takes U-turn. एक माउंटेन पीक है नामचा बारवा, वहाँ पर आके ये यू टर्न, उल्टी टर्न ले लेती है, यू टर्न, एंड एंटर्स इंडिया इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश थ्रू अ गोर्स. हेयर इट इज़ कॉल्ड द दिहांग. वहाँ पर इस रिवर का नाम बन जाता है दिहांग, एंड इट इज़ ज्वाइंड बाय दिबांग, द लोहित एंड मैनी अदर ट्रिब्यूटरीज. सो दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर टुडे. टुमारो वी विल बी continuing with Brahmaputra river system. So by that, bye and have a nice day.